guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how I make my potato salad. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have about 6 chopped medium-sized potatoes. I have 4 boiled eggs that I went ahead and boiled and chopped. I have red and green bell peppers, carrots, some sweet relish, some sweet corn. I have some honey, mayonnaise, I have mustard, and some apple cider vinegar. I also will be using some garlic salt, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So here in a medium-sized pot, I will now add my garlic salt. You can use regular salt also for the recipe. And I will add my potatoes. I will mix well and allow it to boil until it is fork tender. You don't want this mushy. We are not making mashed potatoes. You just want it to be fork tender. So while our potatoes are boiling, we'll go ahead and make our dressing for the salad. We will add all of our condiments and we'll add our seasonings. The only thing we will not add is our vegetables. So we'll add these all here and we'll mix really well. Now I like my potato salad on the sweeter side, so I'm adding honey to add sweetness to my salad. If you like yours on the savory side, you can omit the honey. And I like a little bit of tang in my potato salad, so that's why I'm adding the vinegar. If you don't like tang in yours, you can leave that out. Listen, I feel like potato salad, there's no right way or wrong way to make it. Salads in general, it just depends on your preference and what you like. So add whatever you like to your salad. It doesn't have to be the exact things that I'm adding. You know, you just switch it up and make it your own. And this is more of a Caribbean salad. It's not the American Southern salad. It's not that. This is more of a Caribbean salad. So you know, we'll mix this well and we'll set aside. We can place it in the refrigerator until our potatoes are boiled and cooled. Now we'll go ahead and assemble our salad. You need to have your potatoes completely cooled off before you start adding the rest of the ingredients. So now we will add all of our vegetables and I will add a bit of green onions here. Green onions and parsley. I will add that in. I didn't have those on my ingredients list when I was showing you guys in the beginning, but I will be adding that and I will list everything that I use down in my description box. And once we have everything mixed in well, we will just add our dressing here. And that's it. That's how simple it is to make this salad. And it's absolutely delicious, guys. You will love it if you try it. Give it a try, you will enjoy it. And we will place this in our refrigerator and let it chill for about, 2 hours before we start serving. And so today I'll be enjoying my potato salad with some baked chicken, steamed broccoli, and some seasoned rice. I do hope you guys give this recipe a try. It was absolutely amazing. And if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys make your potato salad. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and the correct measurements down in my description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.